Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about Windows Action Center. Windows Action Center was a feature that was originally introduced in Windows XP in 2004. This feature allows you to see critical features that are wrong with your computer, like having your firewall off or different vulnerabilities that Windows Defender may detect. And it's a common misconception, I guess, that Windows Action Center was not incorporated into Windows 10. But that's actually not true because it was added on to the Notification Center. And this is the Notification Center. It's right down at the right-hand corner or the bottom of your toolbar. And it also has these different settings at the bottom that you can use. When you have notifications from different apps on your computer, they'll also show up here, as well as Windows Action Center alerts. So, for an example, just turn that off. Click OK. Exit out of that. You can see the notification immediately pop up. And then I can go into here, Windows Security, and then it immediately tells me to turn that back on. If I just click on it, then it will take me right into it so I can fix whatever vulnerability my computer may have. So I can just click down here, turn on. And then it should just turn it back on automatically for me, and then that problem will be solved. Windows Action Center is also where you'll see notifications for updates when your computer plans to install them, and other information about your system. Now, like I said, from Windows Action Center, you can also just access your settings. There are these basic settings down here, so you don't have to go into your full settings or other applications like the snipping tool or setting a hotspot or your network. And then you can just click all settings to go into your primary settings menu. So that's it for this video on Windows